welcome back. I just wanted to do a quick video today clarifying something and sort of testing it out. So I had said that the V6 comes with the new updated firmware on the ESC, and that the newest EXB version does not come with that updated firmware. I want to test that out by using this Spektrum V2 Programmer, and then I'll be able to tell is the firmware version the exact same on the V6 and on the V2. And some people in the comments are saying that these are the same. In that case, my mistake. If they're different, I want to see if I was wrong about us being able to update this to the newest firmware. What you're going to need is this programmer. You can pick this up for about 30 bucks. I got mine on Amazon. It comes with the two cables you need. One is a USB cable that goes into your laptop or computer. The other is the plug that goes into your ESC. This is the ESC I'm talking about, this black edition Spektrum. It may also work with the orange ones to update the firmware, but I don't have any on hand to test that out. So I'll try it with these. If you happen to know, let me know in the comments. Alright, so you're going to need to get the software on your computer to run the Spektrum Programmer. And one way to do that is just to search the Spektrum ESC Programmer version 2. And so the first line here is the one for the actual box itself. And when you get to that, you scroll down and you'll see this download, PC download button. Click that, and this blue line here is the link to download it. I've already done that, so I won't do that here, but once you do, it's going to download a zipped file that you'll need to unzip and save like on your desktop. And then once you get to the program itself, the actual Spektrum program looks just like this. And so you'll be able to come in here and look at the firmware version, the available versions, and everything. Alright, so I've got a battery hooked up to the new version 6 Kraton. I've got this new Spektrum Programmer hooked up to the speed control. And I've got that hooked up to the computer. So I'm going to turn it on. Okay, it's connected. Go to the firmware section. And it's got the latest V5.12 firmware setting. All right, so that's the latest setting. There's nothing newer. Now I'm gonna try it on the EXB here and see what firmware that has. Several people online have sort of said that this is the same firmware because they're both the black ESC, but we'll check it out and see if it's V5.12 on the EXB. Okay, so I'm going to plug this into the EXB here, making sure I've got the black wire on the left where it's the negative. Got that plugged in. Now we want to turn it on. Connecting, and we check the firmware, and this has B5.07, so that is a different number. Confusing part is it only shows that that's the only available version, so that might mean that this version is not yet available for the EXB. So we'll see what happens when we upgrade. So it is upgrading. It seems like it's the same version, but see what happens. Turn that off. Now it's been upgraded, so now let's turn it back on.
see what it shows. So that must have just been a different version of the same B5.07. But it does not seem to be the same as this one.
Alright, so as you can see, the version 6 does come with the newest firmware. The EXB unfortunately does not. And I must correct myself. That was not true that you guys can just easily update this. Sorry about that. However, it's not a huge difference, guys. We're talking a little punchier and a little faster. They both have 16-tooth pinions, but I'm hoping in the future Spektrum will release the latest version on this EXB, and problem solved. So thanks for watching. Hope you got something out of it. Don't forget to subscribe. Take it easy.